Foundation chain. Working into both sides. Begin by creating a foundation chain according to your pattern instructions. For this tutorial, we'll use a foundation chain of 4 stitches. Following your pattern, work the correct number of stitches along your foundation chain. Remember, when working into a foundation chain, you should only crochet into the back loop of each stitch. Some patterns will require you to work increased stitches into the first and last chains. To work into the other side of your foundation chain, rotate your piece of crochet 180 degrees, like so. You will now work into the front loop of each stitch, along the opposite side of your foundation chain. Once you have completed your foundation round, count your stitches. You can do this by counting the V's around the oval base. Your pattern will tell you whether you should join your round with a slip stitch or continue working in a spiral. You have now worked into both sides of your foundation chain, and you are ready to start your second round.